Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get volume bars on TradingView. First, open your chart on TradingView. Look for the Indicators button at the top of your screen. Click on it to open the indicator search window. This is where you'll find all the tools to enhance your chart analysis. Adding volume bars is a fundamental step for many traders. Once the indicator window is open, type volume into the search bar. You'll see several options, but choose the standard built-in volume indicator. Click on it, and it will instantly be added to your chart, usually appearing as a separate panel below your price candles. This visual representation is crucial for understanding market participation. To customize the appearance of your volume bars, hover over the volume indicator name on your chart and click the small gear icon. This opens the Settings menu. Here, you can change colors, adjust the style of the bars, and even modify their visibility. Many traders prefer to match the volume bar colors to their candlestick colors for easier interpretation. Understanding what the volume bars tell you is key. Typically, green bars represent volume during periods of upward price movement, while red bars show volume during downward price movement. High volume on a strong price move suggests conviction, whereas low volume might indicate a lack of interest. Always compare current volume to its average for better insights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.